let's log into our admin page. Once you've logged in, click on the Rooms tab. I have 2 available rooms. Let's focus on this new room I've created named Test Room. Select the test room, click here to edit, and let's change the title and add a description. Then click Next. Here are some standard settings: privatized chat options, custom questions at registration, and you can also track registration sources. You can add a new question or customize a question. Now let's move on to the customization tab. We can upload a banner image for our room, select a button color, and we can even upload a webinar banner image. So this is the summary page where you can see the information. And let's go back to the summary page where you can assign people as hosts to the room. This is an SSO demo, and this replicates a member portal access. These are buttons for the members to log in as attendees with one click. Some settings that you want to check to configure your default webcam and microphone. You can even toggle dark mode on or off. You can even view room logs. Now let's go to storyboard. We're gonna add slides. And then we're gonna select a slide. There are some slides already uploaded. And I'm gonna choose my name. I can have the option for attendees to download. And I'm gonna add screen sharing. Select my name again. And add it at the storyboard. And lobby options. I can put a welcome message every time when people log in. Choose a color, and I can even add a background music. I have some uploaded here already. I'm gonna select this one and click on apply, and can set that as loop. Now I'm gonna start the event, and also you can also use our feature called autoflow. Ideally, you should do this before the presentation starts. I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna enable my webcam, and I'm gonna do a quick recording or an autoflow. And start recording. This is me talking with audio and video being recorded. It saves you time and it's very convenient. And you can reuse this autoflow. So once you're done, stop the recording and save the autoflow. Let's take a look and play that autoflow. Alright, so that's basically how autoflow works. Now let's go to screen sharing. I know you've been excited about this. Before we screen share, make sure you enable screen sharing at the lower left. And select screen that you want to share. Then go back to the storyboard and activate screen sharing. And click play. So it says your screen is being shared. This is how it looks like in the attendee view. Take note, this is screen sharing on my vertical monitor, so that's why it looks small or cropped. Now this is how it looks like in my horizontal monitor. I've collapsed also the webcam and the chat tray, so it has a full view. This is how it looks like in the host. That was the attendees view. You can also add announcements. By the way, this feature is being enhanced as well. This is how it looks like in the attendees view. You can close that announcement as well. You have also chat attendee options where you can block them from chatting, remove them from the room, send a private message, and attendees can also use the chat module. I'm gonna type here a message as an attendee. And the chat moderation options, you can actually have these options such as privatize chat, highlight, private message, and you can even hide messages. All right. That's how it looks like in the attendees view. Enabling attendee interaction allows your attendees to raise their hand, which will then notify the host to let your attendees have microphone and webcam access. You can close the room by clicking on the storyboard, then end the room. But yes. So we also have reports. We go back to your admin page, go to past events and look for the room and click on report. Here you will see the analytical reports together with chat transcripts and information of your attendees. You can also download them as a CSV file. That's all. Thank you very much.